In this episode, I want to share my top 3 volume indicators with you. Let's go! The first indicator is called OBV Oscillator. Just click on Indicators and type in OBV Oscillator and take this one from Lazy Beer. Just click on it and this is what it looks like. I already mentioned it is an oscillator, and by changing the color, for example here, from green to red, this indicates an upcoming bearish volume, which is just about to start here. You can see the huge candles which have been generated here, which suits to the oscillator too. So the next signal is confirming another change of the volatility and ends up in a nice move up to just about here. And just right after it, a third signal occurs, which leads to another nice downtrending move. The OBV works well in trending markets and catches the big moves quite early, but also in ranging market it keeps you out of failed entry signals pretty good. Just like here, it generates no new signal during this time. A really simple and easy understanding volume indicator. The second and place 2 volume indicator is called the TDFI, or the Trend Direction Force Index, and it is quite unknown yet. Simply search for it and take this one from Jose. It is a zero gross indicator, but it looks quite choppy yet, and we need to tweak the settings on this one a little bit to get more accurate signals. Just click on Settings and change the trend period here from 20 to 8. It looks already quite different if you do that. We are gonna remove the zero gross signal. We don't need them, and now we want to get rid of those tiny signals which pops up often. We lower the MA period for this from 8 to 5 and the trigger value up and down to 0.2 and to minus 0.2. And by looking at the TDFI, you will see we increased the channel here a little bit with the smaller signals disappeared, and that's it. So in order to read the indicator, it is actually pretty simple. Every time a red line is showing up, the volume is bearish. And every time the line changes to green, we have a lot of bullish momentum in the market, and we're mainly looking then for long trades. As you can see, it detects upcoming trends very good, just like here, or at this nice long trade. Check out this nice move right about here. What I really like is when there is a ranging market, you get no signals at all, it simply stays gray. Check this one definitely out. The real power of the TDFI only occurs if you adjust the settings. That's very important. On default settings you get tons of signals and it is really bad. So be sure to tweak the settings, add it to your chart and try it out. It's really awesome. Last and number 1 volume indicator is our Waddah Attar explosion. I already made a video about it, feel free to check it out, I will add the link in the description box below. There are a few ones available. I would recommend the one by SHK, this one. So that's it, that's how it looks like. On default settings it works pretty well. I really like how it looks and how it moves with the market, a really good easy understanding indicator. What I like to do is to make the explosion and the deadline zone more visible by changing it to a full line and to make the lines a bit brighter and a bit thicker. So for the rules, it's pretty easy. If the red bar is above both of the lines, the explosion and the dead market lines, it indicate a short momentum in the market, and as you can see, the red bar is confirming this. Another example here, the green bar is crossing and closing above both lines. You can have entered here or at the next green bar, and it turned out to be a nice trending trade. As there are still a lot of bars which are just a little bit above a line, we can make the indicator a bit more accurate. Simply click on settings and change the sensitivity from 150 to 100. Now a lot of weak signals are gone. Very nice to see that the Waddah Attar does not give us any signals at all in ranged markets, just like here or here. So that's it for today's video, guys. Check out those indicators, combine them with a good confirmation or entry indicator. That's it. Take care. Goodbye.